أحمده حمدا وأصلي مصليا أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وعلمك ما لم تكن تعلم وكان فضل الله عليك عظيما صدق الله العظيم. Honorable and respected President, Secretary, Educationist and others, particularly the organized by Maulana Mufti Abdul Mateen Sahib, who is General Secretary of All India Sunnatul Jamaat. I pay my heartiest homage to all famous figures. I am thankful to the organizer who has given me an opportunity to deliver my lecture on the improvement of education of the Muslim community. We know that education means achieving a world peace, justify freedom and equality for all. Education extremely necessary for everybody. Muslims are also not backward in education, but they are somewhat behind than others in education. So we should improve the education of our community. We must remember that in this world there are two types of education. One is commercial and the other is religious education. I think education should be done with religion, the education with theology, because Allah says in Quran,